have close to 30 years of business experience, and I was of a very diversified business experience. I was happy to be able to work in the public sector and in the private sector, in the NGOs and in the corporates for the first 15 years of my professional career. Where then the next 15 years I decided to go on my own, and I was an entrepreneur, and this is my main characteristic. So I have been building my own businesses, helping my partners to build their businesses, and then on that journey I have started becoming an investor, first as a business angel investor who invests in the startups, not only money but also network and knowledge, and helps them grow. And my career then after that culminated in raising of the venture fund. So today I'm a founder and investment manager of Feelsgood, that is a social impact venture fund for Croatia. Well, during my entrepreneurial journey, I was experiencing the need to find different ways of financing my business and my partners' businesses. So classical financing instruments are very fast exhausted when you are building the new business, and then you necessarily need to turn to the sources of the risk capital and to the alternative sources of investing. And this is what also happened to me, and it was just a natural process when when I entered the investment community and started finalizing investments from both sides, or being the user of an investment or investing myself, first as business angel in the projects I believed in, and then later it culminated with raising a venture capital fund, which I'm managing now and investing as investment partner of Feelsgood, that is a social impact venture fund from Croatia. Well, the issues or concerns that I have faced were always the lack of, from the entrepreneurial side, the impression that there is a lack of capital and lack of investments. And on the other hand, from the investor side, the impression that there is a lack of good businesses and good deals to invest in. And this was a very interesting issue, and this actually led me to start working on both sides and connecting both sides, and trying to build the understanding and the comprehension and the networking between the two sectors in the economy in Croatia. The deals, the businesses, and the entrepreneurs from one side, and the business angels, venture capital investors from the other side. Well, the benefits and opportunities gained from being an investor are dual. One would say you invest for money, and of course this is the making money, and the return, financial return, is the first purpose of investing, and it should be like that. I'm an impact investor, so in addition to looking for profit and being happy about it, I am very happy, and I'm looking for the impact alongside the financial return. I like to see and insist to see the positive social and environmental impact that the business can come up with in parallel with the financial return. These are mostly, and these are the businesses I invest in, and these are the businesses who have this positive impact embedded in their business model. And actually my aim is that if this civilization and this planet will succeed, that all the companies will have to become the impact companies. So these are the two things. And there is a third thing that is beautiful once you are on the side of the investor, and this is that people come and present their work to you. They come, they pitch, and they are very enthusiastic in explaining what they have been doing, the problem they are solving, and then you really get amazed how many wonderful people are there around us building their businesses. So this is the best part of it, is meeting special people. Backing women businesses is important for diversity. and it is important for showcasing that women are equally capable to build a business and be great entrepreneurs as men, because still the majority businessmen today are men, and of course this is changing, but the role models are needed. And this is why women entrepreneurs are precious, and I am in favor always to back them, because then everybody sees them. From the men who surround them, they need to cope with them, work with them, and consider them. But what is also very important is that an army of young girls have a role model for themselves, and they are watching, and they then can get inspired to pursue the similar dreams they may have with regard to the entrepreneurship. The tip or advice to women considering to become an investor is that they should just go for it and become it, and they should not be discouraged because the finance industry is traditionally a male industry. It still is. On the leading financial positions, they are mostly men, same like in politics, and they are biased. I have had many times experienced the bias, but the only way to succeed and to change that is just to go for it and to enter that world. And it's easy. It's not difficult. You just need to decide. As in any other business, as in going for the doctor's careers or a musician careers, there is no reason that women wouldn't succeed and become part of the investment teams. On the contrary, the mixed investment teams are performing better and making better choices, having more diversified and more potential portfolios. This has been proven till now already. Well, the biggest challenge we are tackling, not only now, but we have been in that situation for 15 years already, is that we need to still educate the society about the importance of impact and of impact investing. Once you educate the investors, the stakeholders, the politicians, everybody around, then they quickly understand and it becomes easy. However, the topic is still new and people are still biased, especially in the investment industry, where they think that impact investing is something when there are no returns in terms of profit because of the impact component of these businesses. So it is very important, and it is the job of all of us, and this is what we have been doing on a daily basis, to talk, to write books, to educate, and to promote the impact investing in order to remove that bias, and in order that people understand that it is even better and it is more sustainable in the long run to have that impact angle in the investment process.